Hey guys, let's make restaurant style pasta in just 10 minutes. For that, we'll need some green chilies, penne pasta, pizza pasta sauce, cheese spread, 1 cheese slice, some chili flakes and oregano, 1 cup tomato puree, tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon butter. In a bowl, add 1 1/2 glass of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any kind of oil that you have. Add pasta and boil it for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain the pasta to remove excess water and keep it aside. In a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Also, you can use any kind of oil that you have. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and add the tomato puree to it. Add 1 1/2 tablespoon of chopped green chilies, 1 1/2 tablespoon of pizza pasta sauce and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of cheese spread and mix it well. Add salt to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Here I am using freshly homemade butter. Add a tablespoon of oregano. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Add the cheese slice to the pan. Add the boiled pasta and give it a very good mix. Finally, top it off with some freshly chopped coriander, and here's our finger licking pasta ready to serve. Enjoy, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.